Hello guys, so in this video we are going to solve this question by using spherical coordinates. So basically we have to use the spherical coordinates to evaluate this integral where the region bounded is between two spheres, that is radius 4 to radius 8. So first of all we will write the formula to use spherical coordinates, that is that we have to consider x as rho cos theta sin phi, y as rho sin theta sin phi, z is equal to rho cos phi, and we have to write dv as rho square sin phi d rho d theta d phi. We can write x square plus y square plus z square as rho square, and if we will write the limit of rho theta and so radius of the two sphere varies from, this is 4 square and this is 8 square, so radius varies from 4 to 8. So value of rho varies from, this is 4 less than equal to rho less than equal to 8. Since these are the both full spheres, so value of theta varies from 0 to 2 pi and value of pi varies from 0 to pi, because this is the azimuthal angle. So this is the basic information that we have to use to solve this question. Now rewriting the integral so e to the power minus, this will become rho square and this will become rho square under root, and here we can write dv as rho square sin phi d rho d theta and d phi, and limits are from, this is from 4 to 8, this is from 0 to 2 pi and this is from 0 to pi. So if we will solve this, what it will become? It will become as, this is triple integral, this will become e to the power minus rho square, this under root rho will be cancelled by rho only, so here rho sin phi d rho d theta d phi, and limits will be same, this is 4 to 8, limits will be from 0 to 2 pi and here will be 0 to pi. To make you visualize the region, suppose this is the sphere with radius 4 and this is the sphere with radius, so suppose this is xy plane, so this is 4 and this is 8. So we have to compute this integral along this region. So this is the E, we can write it as E region. Okay. So if we will solve this, we can rewrite the integral as e to the power minus rho square into rho d rho integration from 4 to 8 multiply by, we can rewrite this as sin phi d phi, this integration from 0 to pi, and d theta from 0 to 2 pi. If we will solve this, we have to substitute rho square as t. So to solve this, substitute rho square as t, then rho d rho is equal to dt by 2. So if we will change the limit, so if rho is equal to 4, then t is equal to 16 if rho is equal to 8, then t is equal to this will become 64. So if we will solve this, this will become e to the power minus t dt by 2, and limits are from 16 to 64. This will become minus times of cos phi, and limits are from 0 to pi, and this will become theta, and limits are from 0 to 2 pi. So this will become minus 1 divided by 2. This will become e to the power minus 64 minus e to the power minus 16. This will become minus times of minus 1, and this will become 2 pi. So if we will solve this, what we will get? We will get 2 pi times of e to the power minus 64 minus e to the power minus 16. So this is the answer. So if you would like to ask such more questions, please visit my website and post your doubt there, or you can write your doubts in comment box below, and please share my solution with your friends so that they can be benefited from this also. Thank you very much.